In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best way to add videos inside the Flexi library. So let's jump into it. Starting off in the theme customizer here, you'll notice that Flexi has tons of different video sections and layouts that you can use. And you'll notice that you can always add videos in this video input field over here. Now, I recommend that you always import your videos using just the Shopify file video area, because once it's imported, what you'll actually be able to do is go into the video here by clicking edit, and then you'll be able to adjust your alternative text and also your cover image. In the future, I also might add support to add in YouTube videos, so please message me if this seems like a feature you'd like. But I think for now, I'm going to stick to just having the videos inside the theme customizer like I just showed you here, just for reliability reasons, and also just because I really like this sweet thumbnail feature. If you liked this video and you're interested in building sites with Flexi, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to check out more videos.